if you are in that thought that you could be able to practice all the activities which is suggested in Garbh Sanskar Guru application by yourself, then that is your myth. What is the reason behind that? Let us try to understand it in a simple manner. Every sort of material, every sort of thing is nowadays available in the form of books, in the form of videos, it is available on internet. Still, we are not in a position to learn it by ourselves and teach them the same to the child. To educate the child, we need to send them to the school, because that school has proper well-established framework prepared. They have got experts of the subjects which can guide your baby, which can guide your child, and they can take your baby from level A to level B, because they have been expert and they have been trained for that. Same way, knowledge of Garbh Sanskar, if you wish to practice it, there are certain activities which needs to practice. But to prepare this activity by yourself, it is not cup of tea of every person, because this activities requires domain knowledge of many subjects like gynec doctor, Ayurveda doctor, homeopathy doctor, dietitians, physiotherapists, yoga guru, spiritual aspect of the things, and Garbh Sanskar aspect of the things. If one wish to prepare the course content by themselves, then they require to have knowledge of these all domain experts. And I'm sure one person is not an expert of all this domain. The content which has been prepared by 100 plus experts, and those who have practiced it, if they have got tremendous results, because lakhs of mothers have got benefited out of this particular course and they have got amazing results. So if that is ready and handy for you, then why to take a chance? Just think.
गर्भ संस्कार गुरु अपने ही समझते हैं अपनों की जरूरतों को।